Okay, so let's see how you did with practice problem 1. First, I'm going to look at my coefficients for x. I have a 9 and a 2. Those are different. And for y, I have a 2 and a 3, also different. So do we have to multiply one equation or both equations? Let's see. I can't multiply 2 times anything to get 9. And I can't multiply 2 times anything to get 3. That means we're going to multiply both. I'm going to pick the smaller numbers, so we're going to eliminate y. Between 2 and 3, the first multiple they have in common is 6. So I'm going to make both of these equations equal 6 by multiplying the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2. So I'm going to get 27x minus 6y equals negative 63. And then when I multiply the second one by 2, I get 4x plus 6y equals 32. So now, since I have a positive 6 and a negative 6, to make those go away and equal 0, we add. Different signs means you're going to add. So 27 plus 4 is 31x. The 6's are gone. They're eliminated. The y's are gone. And then I have a negative and a positive, so I'm going to subtract. And since I have more negatives, my answer will be negative, and it is negative 31. So x is negative 1. Now I'm going to plug this negative 1 into one of the original equations to get y. And I like the second equation. The numbers are smaller, so I'm going to use this equation. But instead of x, I'm going to put a negative 1 in its place, in parentheses, which means I'm going to have to multiply. So this is a negative 2 plus 3y, two-step equation. Add 2 on both sides. 3y equals 18. Y equals 6. So I think the answer is negative 1, 6. Let's check it on the next slide. I think it's negative 1, 6. I'm going to rewrite this, but instead of variables, I'm going to put parentheses, and then I'll fill in what those numbers are. So x is negative 1. Y is positive 6. This is negative 9 minus 12. I add because they're both negative, so I get 21, and I keep the sign. So the first one checks out. Let's check the second one. I'm going to set it up. Instead of variables, parentheses. Then for x, negative 1. For y, positive 6. This is a negative 2 plus 18. Subtract. Keep the sign of the larger, which is positive. It checks out. Put the answer in the box. Try practice problem 2.